Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on April 13, 2022. One star Sudoku. Second row, 4 numbers are remaining. 2, 7, 3, 9. Fourth grade. We have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 3, 9. Second grade. We have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in other 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Second grade. 4 numbers are remaining. 1, 5, 6, 7. Fourth row. We have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in any of the cells. Column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 7. It will come in any of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 6, 7. 9th row and 5th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 7. 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 8th grade. 4 numbers are remaining. 4, 5, 6, 9. 9th row and 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Column E also we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining. 5, 6, 9. 8th row and 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 9. Column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 7. 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 4. It will come in any one of the cells. 3 and 8. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 6, 9. 7th row and 5th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 3 and 9, it will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 7, 8. 4th grade. We have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 to 4. 5th row, we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column C, we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 5th row, 4 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 5, 9. Column J, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, then 5 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, then 9 is confirmed here. Then column B, only one number is remaining, 3, 3 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 5th row, only one number is remaining, 8, 8 is confirmed here. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 7. 7th row, we have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the 2 cells. 10th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 2, 2 is confirmed here. 6th row, only one number is remaining, 7, 7 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come any one of the cells, we will confirm later. 7th grade, 5 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. 9th row and 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 4 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 8, 9. 10th row, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the cells. Column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 10th row, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. 4th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 4th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 4th row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. 8th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. you have any questions, please leave comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.